Life is messy, especially with pets. Meet the iRobot Roomba Vacuum, designed to handle fur, allergens, and multi-surface cleaning effortlessly. This little machine is a game changer for anyone who shares their home with furry friends. Perfect for pet owners, this vacuum tackles fur and keeps your floors spotless. Watch how it effortlessly picks up pet hair from carpets. No more struggling with traditional vacuums that just push the hair around. Impressive, right? The Roomba's powerful suction ensures that even the tiniest particles are captured, leaving your home cleaner and healthier. Now, look at this. The Roomba transitioning seamlessly from carpet to hardwood. Switch between carpets, tiles, and hardwood without any manual adjustments. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant that knows exactly what to do, without missing a beat. The Roomba's sensors detect changes in floor type and adjust its cleaning mode automatically. But wait, there's more. The high-efficiency filter traps 99% of allergens and particles as small as 10 microns. This is especially beneficial for those who suffer from allergies or asthma. Breathe easier with advanced filtration that eliminates allergens and pollen. Imagine the relief of knowing that your home is not just clean, but also free from harmful particles. And here's one of my favorite features. With Alexa integration, you can control the vacuum with a single voice command. Cleaning has never been this convenient. Just say, "Alexa, start Roomba," and watch it go to work. Imagine relaxing with your family while the vacuum works in the background. No more interrupting your leisure time to clean up. Effortless cleaning gives you more time for what matters most. Spend more quality time with your loved ones and less time worrying about chores. See how it returns to its charging dock on its own? This feature ensures that the Roomba is always ready for the next cleaning session. Self-charging means it's always ready for the next round, so you never have to worry about downtime. It's like having a tireless helper that never needs a break, so you never have to worry about downtime. The Roomba is designed to be efficient and reliable, making your life easier every day. But don't just take my word for it. Customers love its efficiency and ease of use. Many have shared their positive experiences and how the Roomba has transformed their cleaning routines. Check out these glowing reviews and star ratings. Real users have praised its performance, reliability, and the convenience it brings to their lives. It's rated as one of the best robot vacuums for pet hair and allergens. The high ratings and positive feedback speak volumes about its quality and effectiveness. Ready to make cleaning effortless? Imagine a home where you no longer have to worry about pet hair, dust, or allergens. Transform your cleaning routine with the iRobot Roomba Vacuum. It's more than just a vacuum, it's a smart solution for a cleaner, healthier home. Click the link below to learn more. Discover all the features and benefits that make the Roomba a must-have for any pet owner. Click the link below to bring this smart vacuum into your home. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the iRobot Roomba Vacuum today.